Hi everybody, it's me again. I'm back. I just quickly want to say, how are you guys doing? I hope every single one of you is doing amazing and having a blessed year already. So regarding my last video, it's been a month since I uploaded content out here, and today I felt I should do something in as much as I've not had time to settle down to create content to show you guys that okay, I'm alive and I'm kicking and I'm healthy, you know. So I want to say thank you for all of the comments I got in my previous video. Thank you guys for being amazing souls. Thank you guys for for just understanding that life sometimes doesn't go as planned and bad things happen, and sometimes we get really tired emotionally as well. My hair is one thing I really love about myself, and for me to push myself to that level where I get to chop my locks off or chop my hair off, it wasn't actually easy. I was really overwhelmed, so thank you guys for again understanding with me. And I want to say over the weeks I've done a lot of traveling from one state to the other. For those of you who don't know, Nigeria has 36 states here, and I've been to Sokoto, I've been to Ilorin, I've been to Nasarawa, and I'm back in Abuja. I went to Sokoto State for compulsory camp, because if you study in Nigeria, you have to go for 1 year compulsory service. It's quite similar to that of Korea, although this time around it's not compulsory military service. You just go and they post you to school or to any organization where you go and serve for a year. While I was on campground, my first week was quite horrible due to the fact that I was always sick and I was always at the clinic. I had multiple ulcer attacks and I was also suffering from malaria, so it was intense for me. Other than the craziness of my first week on campground, I made an amazing set of friends. I met people. One thing about camp life is you get to meet people from diverse ethnic backgrounds, traditions, religion, and it's so amazing. If you don't know, Nigeria has rich cultures. I should hype Nigeria up right now. Nigeria has rich cultures, and its people are amazing creatures. You can tell I'm Nigerian. Come on, look at me. I'm amazing. So, and the camp food was bad. Camp food was really bad. You get like immediately you take in that food, it's like your whole system is rejecting it. So it was a no for me. I cannot survive on camp food. I cannot do that. If you are someone that does not enjoy being programmed, do not go to camp. I'm being serious, because your entire life is going to be programmed on camp. From when you wake up to when you sleep, to when you eat, when you shower, when you interact with people, everything about your life is going to be programmed. They wake you up as early as 4 a.m. Who wakes people up by that time? Who in their right senses would wake me up as early as 4 a.m.? But you get to be woken up, like they'll wake you up to go and shower, and you get to shower with cold water. I went to camp while there was cash scarcity and inflation. Things were so expensive. Surviving on campground was like survival of the fittest. Interacting with people or making friends was very easy for me, because now I don't make friends. Way back to Ilorin, our vehicle broke down in Kebbi State. We had to spend the night there on the road before leaving the next day. So it took me 2 days for a journey of 16 hours to get to Ilorin. From Ilorin, like I said, I came to Abuja. Then from Abuja, I was relocated to Nasarawa State, where I am meant to commence my service properly after camp. So yeah, I've been busy, I've been on the road, I've not had time. But the good news is my hair is growing, and you guys can see, compare it to this when I first started. Look at this baby right here. She can't even comb her hair. But look at me now. Like, who's playing with me? Who is? Now I can get to that stage where I can comb my hair. And for real though guys, I'll soon start creating content consistently. I don't want to play with you guys because I know you guys have been patient enough with me, and I see you. I am also considering applying dye to my hair. I'm thinking of red, white and purple. I've not decided. These are the three colors in my head. I am going to create a poll right down right below where you guys get to decide for me what color I should use between these three colors that I mentioned though: white, red and purple. I do not want to go ginger anymore since I've done ginger before and I know I look good in it. So I want to try something else. I want to try something different and see. So let me know what you think in the comment section. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now. I love you.